Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the sheet metal. Exercise number 4. First, select the new part. Then, pick the top plane for sketching. Now, select the center rectangle command and draw a rectangle from the origin. Specify its dimension using smart dimension command. After dimensioning, now in sheet metal, select base flange and specify the extrusion dimension as given in the manual. Now select edge flange and select the edge of the base flange from where the edge flange has to be inserted and specify the direction of extrusion. Give its bend radius and the dimension of extrusion or the dimension of the edge flange from the base flange. Now, select the face of the edge flange and give sketch. Select the slot command and draw a slot over its face. Specify its dimensions using smart dimension command. Now, after dimensioning, in features, select extrude cut. Specify the end condition of the extrusion, then give OK. Now, in sheet metal, select the edge flange option and draw edge flange starting from the edge of the previous head flange. Specify its direction of extrusion and give its bend radius. Now, in order to change the profile of the edge flange, select Edit Flange Profile. Then change the profile of the flange as required using the sketch command. Remove unwanted profiles. Then draw the profile using line command over the edge, which is required for the sheet metal to be produced. Once the required profile is drawn, specify its dimension using smart dimension command. After suitable dimensioning, give finish. Now, again select the edge flange command and select the edge of the base flange and draw a edge flange and specify its direction of extrusion. Give its bend radius and the dimension of the edge flange below. Now, select the chamfer command and make a chamfer at the edges of the edge flange. Specify the dimension of chamfer as given in the manual. Now, select mirror entities. Then specify the plane of the mirror axis. Then select the entities to be mirrored. Then give OK. Now select the face of the base flange and give sketch. Using the circle command, draw a circle over the face of the base flange. Specify the dimensions of the circle using smart dimension command. Once all the required dimensions between the circles are given, now in features, select extrude cut. Specify the end condition of the extrusion, then give OK. Now, select edge flange and draw the edge flange from the edges of the previously drawn edge flange. Specify the direction of extrusion and the bend radius are specified. In order to change the profile, select Edit Flange Profile and change the profile of the edge flange accordingly, which is decided in the manual. Remove the unwanted profile, then draw the required profile using line command. Then specify the dimension of the sketch using Smart Dimension command. After required dimensions are made, then give finish. In order to make the change in dimensions of the previously drawn edge flange, select the previously drawn edge flange and change the dimensions according to the manual. Now, select edge flange and draw edge flange from the edge of the previously drawn flange. Specify the direction of extrusion and give Edit Flange Profile. Change the profile of the flange accordingly as required in the manual. Remove the previous sketch using trim command. Then draw the required 2D of the profile using line command. Then specify the dimensions using Smart Dimension command. Once the required dimensions are given, select Finish. That's it. Our sheet metal part is completed.